Spice shows $700 US worth of groceries and new fridge she bought for almost $4,000 US. Grocery haul packing videos have become a popular trend on social media, especially TikTok, where people tune in to watch videos of social media influencers, and regular people alike go on huge grocery runs and then watch as they pack away all of what was bought. Taking part in her very own video, Grace Hamilton, more popularly known as Spice, the queen of dancehall, shows us how she does her grocery haul. Wearing her signature color in a blue wig and dress, Spice tells the camera that she just bought groceries worth $700 and was about to pack them away. However, before she got started, she also made note that she purchased a new fridge that totaled almost $4,000 US. She stated, "Hey besties, pack away $700 worth of groceries with me. And by the way, I bought myself a new fridge." The total came up to about $4,000. After cleaning the inside of the fridge, she packed it with stackable plastic containers for a neater arrangement. She then started to fill the fridge with groceries, starting with the different types of juice she bought, namely, Gatorade, Sprite, kombucha, Fanta, Hawaiian Punch, and cranberry juice.
Hey besties, pack away $700 worth of groceries with me. And by the way, I bought myself a new fridge. You know, this is basically an upgraded version to the one that I always have. It cost me about over $3,000. The total came up to almost $4,000. But let's get it cleaned up and pack away these groceries.
She moved on to adding light snacks such as Yoplait, Nature Valley bars, Trix bars, Kit Kats, and a mix of other candies. Moving on, she washed her fruits, strawberries, grapes, apples, in the sink, along with broccoli, before adding them to their specific containers. Other food items that were stored away are eggs, cheese, bacon, milk, fruit juice, okra, cabbage, sweet pepper, carrots, lime, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a like.